Hey there, Savvy Bookkeepers. It's Trudy from Maven. If you're spending hours on your next certification, but still struggling to land great clients, maybe it's not your skills. It might be your reputation infrastructure. Today, we're going to be running through your reputation crisis checklist because even one bad client or missed system could be draining your business. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. That keeps us in business here with producing more content for you. All right. Here's the statistic. 87% of people find bookkeepers through referrals, not credentials. That means that your visibility is built in private conversations, not in public forums, and not on exams. If someone Googles you right now, what would they see? Your LinkedIn profile, an outdated Facebook page, a client who made derogatory statements about you? You don't need bigger degrees or more credentials. You need better proof points in places clients actually look. Because one toxic client can cost you 5 great clients. Why? Because their complaints are louder than your client wins. Even if they don't leave a public review, they text friends, they comment in your group, they dampen your referrals without you even knowing. And here's the worst part. The wrong client sticks around even longer than the right ones because you're always bending over backwards to keep peace when you should be protecting your reputation. The top performing bookkeepers, they're not chasing every lead. They've built systems that magnetize the right clients and repel the wrong one. And that includes clear client expectations up front, testimonials and Google reviews you actively request, a visible, consistent online presence, and a referral process that makes it easy for happy clients to brag on you. Your reputation isn't what you say about you, it's what others say about you when you're not in the room. So that difficult client that you've been tiptoeing around, they're actually draining your time, your confidence, and your bandwidth, as well as your future referrals. Because while you're distracted with constant clarifications, backtracking, and over-delivery, you're missing the calm, high-value clients that are looking for someone exactly like you. Here's what really stinks. While you're studying for next certification, the bookkeepers who are really winning, they aren't smarter, they're more strategic. They've built reputation systems that work 24/7, even when they're offline. Hey, I'd love your support here, and by subscribing, you're helping me to help you. So, thanks for hitting that button. Next episode, Speaking Fluent Client, the real language of bookkeepers. Do you speak fluent client? I do.